put up your hands.
Okay.
Lay down if you want to sing.
Okay.
Put one hand up and
Okay.
sing. My hand says hello. My hand says hello.
Every time I see my friends, my hand says hello. Yeah.
Yay!
Hello,
Good
morning, friends.
Today, it's Grammy's birthday and Papa's special day. Yours birthday, and 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 my special day.
That's a lot of special days.
That's a lot of special days.
What do we get to do on this special day?
Yeah. Let's sing into my microphone.
Let's sing the special day song.
Okay. We can have a microphone in your hand and sing.
Okay.
It's Grammy Papa's special day, special day,
Special day. It's Grammy Papa's special day.
We're so-
Yeah.
And we-
Yes, you can for Grammy Papi now, Grammy Papi now, Grammy Papi now. Yes, you can for Grammy Papi now. Hooray! Let's start with you and Grandma.
Okay.
First is of number one. It is Canva's special day, special day, special day.
It's Campa's special day.
And we're glad he's here.
Yes,
Let's all clap for Campa now. Campa now. Campa now. Let's all clap for Campa now. Give him a great big cheer. Hooray!
Papi, it looks as good for sleep.
It looks like you're gonna fall asleep.
Okay, no, I'm not going to fall asleep. I'm going to wait for Grammy to take me home. Okay?
Oh, I did it for sleep in no class, but it's not.
You can fall asleep in the class.
Okay.
It's Grandma's special day, special day.
Special day. It is Grandma's special day. And we're glad she's here. Let's all clap for Grandma now. Grandma now. Grandma now. Let's all clap for Grandma now and give her a great big cheer. Hooray!